Alright YouTube, welcome back, and today we're gonna check out some more GFX. Tutorials will be coming back very soon. I'm planning on making a lot more tutorial videos, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm just gonna go ahead real quick and check out some of your renders right here. So yeah, I hope I see some cool stuff, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, the glossy effect on the character throws me off. Let's check it out. This one. Alright. So the glossy effects, he's referring to the head right here. You can see the little shine. I guess it kind of does. But I like this right here with the effects. However, I think the background is a bit plain. Or it could use some more effects, I guess. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I know some of you guys don't like when I spend a lot of time editing, you know, artwork, but I think that's part of it, right? I want to show you guys how you can improve some certain aspects as opposed to just me scrolling through the channel over and over. But yeah, first of all, so right here, just adding some color effects thingy called lookups. Let's see what else we have here. Like this one, it's pretty cool. Okay, so with the background, I think you could maybe do something like this right here. Possibly. So we go like that, and use a mask. I think this right here could use some more color as well. And then what you could do is, if we paint down here, the character a little bit, so now we got something like this right here. So real quick, this is the before, after, just some very basic stuff so far. As for more effects, we could add this. It's not really necessary, but I think it looks pretty cool. So right here, there we go, right there, and we could also add some particles. I think it would be nice. Alright, so let's take this one, scale it down. Alright, so a little before and after, just real quick, before we go ahead and do this, and do this right here, some texture. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Ignore the background, but look at the size here, that's really cool. And we're just gonna make the background less detailed because we want the focal point to be the character, obviously. So background does not have to be detailed. Right, so here is a before and after. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, you can see the process, just a lot of color lighting changes, and we have a result like this right here. So yeah, back to reacting. Alright, so from the left we have crazy with these two emojis. Right here we got the red evil sinister face thingy. Pretty cool. Could really use some help with the lighting. Yeah, I think the lighting is a bit flat, as well as some of the textures here. They are a bit too smooth, I think. The walking cube, pretty cool. Small little screenshot here. Thumbnail for an upcoming hood game. This is actually very nice. The lighting, especially this area right here, the lighting is very well done. However, the only thing I can say is, since this character is right in the middle and he seems to be the focus, I would have put the light or adjusted the scene somehow to make the light shine down on him instead of this guy back here, because the light is going on him and it makes him look like the focus. This is a before and after. For this one, I'll move the character higher so there won't be this empty space here. Just move the head like up here. I think that would be a good idea. Okay, right here. Thumbnail commission for Monster Madness. I think too much green vibrance. So I'll find a way to balance that so it doesn't look so strong. Maybe some of the effects here could be blue, because everything is green. The trees, the grass, the effects, the monster. It's just, if you fix the rain, I think it'll make the whole thing a lot better. Alright, let's keep going. We got Spider-Man right here. Nice. Echoes GFX portfolio. This is Star Wars. Alright, so I think this is going to be it for this video. Yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see more just like this, make sure to leave a like and also leave a comment down below. If you would like to post your own work for me to check out, join the Discord. Link is going to be down below. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.